Okay, I want to show you step by step on how to install the system. So you download the system in a zip file like this one. So the first step is to install the system in your XAMPP. So the first thing is to start the XAMPP. So click on and find your XAMPP. Start the Apache and then MySQL. After you attach them, you start them. So continue to the root folder. You can easily go through the Explorer option on your XAMPP cp panel, and then head on to htdocs. This is a place that you should install the system. So shall copy the zipped file to the folder. So you have copied the zip file to the folder. Then you can extract the system. After you extract the system, you find a folder like this one. This is the folder with the codes, with everything. So after you have done that, you need to import this to the database. So continue to go back to your XAMPP folder, XAMPP control panel, then to the admin, so that you can open the database. That is my SQL database. So it will load. So after the database load, create a new database. Create a new database with the name as the database that you are going to import. So you go back to your folder, then copy the name of this database. That is vehicle parking DB. Copy the name, then come to your database, create with that name. That will be vehicle parking DB. Then create that database. After you created the database, you will head on to import. Now import, you will choose the file, locate the file in your localhost. That is XAMPP, htdocs, then vehicle parking database file. Click on your database and then import the database, then click go. The database being uploaded to the MySQL database admin, that is PHP my admin. Then it is successful. After that, you can head to your control panel again. Click on the admin on Apache, so that you can be able to start your system. The system is at the vehicle parking system. Yeah, this is the system. So for user logins, you can go to your database and find the user. That is, for example, the admin or the users, so that you can be able to log in. This you have already started the DB or the system. So after that, you can head on to so that you can view the source code. So head on to your open your code editor. Then on your code editor you can head to the file, then click open folder. You said you use VS Code, they have the same process. Open the folder, then go to localdisk C, jump x htdocs, open the folder with your, that is the vehicle parking folder. After you have opened it, now you will be able to navigate through the codes. So the code that you see on your this one is at the localhost vehicle parking user. This is the folder that has the site that is the file that is loading. So this is the file that is on your user ID. So you can be able to locate this one. This is the folder, the HTML file that you are seeing on your screen as your user. Then you can be able to see that the other, this is the add category. This is the script that runs when you add a category on the category of vehicles or the category of any other. This is to add the parking slot. This is the file that is learning. This is the HTML or the user interface. Then this is the user interface for booking. This is the booking. This one that is the one that for the booking. This is change. This is for change the password. Charge booked. Now this is the dashboard. The first dashboard that you log in after the user login. So now this is how you can be able to navigate through and get every page of your every page has the name as the dashboard or the page that you are logging in. Yeah, that's it. So you can, these are the folders for learning the system. This is the CSS folder. They are the counters. That's why you see the percentage and the etc. Yeah, this is just configuration. There are PHP scripts for that. So this is the database file. This is the database that you learn on your PHP MyAdmin. These are the fonts. This is includes, that is in the include, this is the connection to the database. So this is the localhost, this is the server, then this is the user of the database. Password, the password is empty, so I didn't use password for the user the user root in the hosting database, that is the localhost. Then this is the database, that is vehicle parking DB. So if there is an error in calling the database, it will run the connection failed error. Then this is the footer. This is the footer where if you look the footer of the page or the dashboard, you'll be able to see the date and the year. This is a call for the date. Yeah, these are the greetings, good morning, good afternoon on your on your dashboard. This is the navigation. This is the navigation panel, the top menu that has this the parking system, profile, change password settings, logout. This is the sidebar.